Check out the following platform from our top 10 sales and marketing software deals.
Nichesss. Nichesss is a creative writer driven by artificial intelligence who uses the latest GPT-3 technology to create material like business concepts, profitable niches, marketing copy, social media posts, and more. You will be able to produce high-quality content without exerting all of your own effort. Nichesss can write marketing content and social media updates once you have identified a company you like. Additionally, this tool will provide you with postings specific to your company that you may share on Reddit and Product Hunt, allowing you to swiftly validate your concepts. You will be able to create content such as marketing designs, blog posts, advertisements, emails, YouTube videos, product copy, and more. It also has personality tests that, in return for your answers to some personal inquiries, provide you company suggestions.
Also, check out our playlist specific to our recommended industry-leading software providers by visiting the following videos on the right side of your screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more interesting deals like this one. Thanks for watching. See you next time.